So we're here at the job site, and I've got my architectural CAD file, and I've reviewed the CAD file. Everything looks good. So now I'm ready to take the CAD file from my computer and drop it onto the QML800 tablet. So I'll close the file, open up a window, open up the tablet. The tablet shows as a separate drive showing internal storage. Double-click that. And these are all the native files that are from the tablet. So it's simply just a matter of grabbing my CAD file from my desktop, dragging, and dropping it onto the tablet. And now I'm ready to open the CAD file in Buildview on the tablet.